Hello students, good afternoon everybody. We were going through integration. Okay, in that we were learning about integration by substitution method. Okay, now today we will learn integration using trigonometric identities. Okay, for example, what can be the integration of cos square x dx? What can be the integration of sin square x dx? Now we have not learned the integration of cos square x. We are knowing that integration of cos x dx is sin x, and integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. But we have not learned the integration of cos square x or sin square x. For this we will use the identity. If you remember, cos 2 theta gives 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is 2 cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus 1. Okay. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. So this term reduces to 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2x plus 1 into dx. Now this is in the form of integration of cos x is equal to sin x. Now again here it is into 2x. So what we can do? Let 2x is equal to t. So 2 times of dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to half of dt. So this equation reduces to half of into half of cos t plus 1 into dt. That is 1 by 4 times. Now cos t, integration of cos t, that is sin t plus t. Okay, leave this. We can make it separate here. First let it separate. This becomes half of cos 2x dx and plus half of dx. Okay. Now this equation, for this let this 2x is equal to t. So this becomes 2 times of dx is equal to dt, means dx is equal to half of dt. So half of into half of cos t dt plus half of x plus c. Now integration of dx is x. So 1 by 4th integration of cos t is sin t plus half of x plus c. This gives us half of 1 by 4 times sin of t, t means 2x, and plus half of x plus c. So in this way we can calculate the cos square x, okay, by using identities. Similarly the sin square x, again if you remember, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta can be written as a 1 minus cos 2 theta. Thus sin square theta is equal to half of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. So sin square x can be written as a half of 1 minus cos 2x into dx. That is half of integration of dx minus half of cos of 2x dx. This becomes half of x plus half minus half of cos 2x dx plus c. Now we have to integrate this cos 2x. Okay. So to integrate this cos 2x, again we will take, let this 2x is equal to t. So 2 times of dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to half of dt. So this equation becomes half of x minus half of integration of cos 2x, that is cos t into dx. Dx is half of dt, so half becomes out of the integral, and plus a constant c, that is half of x minus 1 by 4 integration of cos is sin t plus c. Okay, again sin t will be replaced by 2x, so this becomes half of x minus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus c. Okay, so we can integrate these forms by using the trigonometric identities. Similarly, let us discuss one more example. Integrate sin 2x cos 3x dx. If it has been in 2x, then we can use 2 sin theta cos theta formula, but it is in 3x, this here it is a 2x. How we can do it? So if you remember, in class 11th we have learned the sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and sin a minus b is equal to again sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so if you add, this becomes sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 times of sin a cos b. This cancel, so we have to use only sin a cos b. Okay, sin a, that is 2x, and cos b, that is 3x. So sin a cos b can be written as a half of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, so using this, our integrand changes to half of sin a plus b. A plus b means 2 and 3, that is 2x and 3x. Okay, plus sin a minus b, that is 2x minus 3x into dx, that is half of sin 5x plus sin of minus x dx. Now if you remember, sin of minus x is minus sin x, so again this can be written as a half of sin 5x minus sin x into dx, that is half of, this can be written separate now, minus half of sin x dx. Again here it is in the form of 5x, so we will replace 5x as t. So 5 times of dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by 5 times of dt. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 times sin t dt, minus half of integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. This becomes 1 by 10. Again sin t becomes minus cos t, integration of sin t is minus cos, na, minus cos t minus minus plus 1 by 2 cos x plus c. This becomes minus 1 by 10 cos t, t means 5x, plus half of cos x plus c. Okay, so try some more examples based on this from your NCERT, and we will discuss the next one tomorrow. Good day.